throughout is going out on the same runway.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sydney. The time just coming up to 10 minutes to 4, a 2-hour time change between Perth and Sydney. We would ask you to remain seated, thank you, with your seatbelt firmly fastened. For those of you that can reach your mobile phones without leaving your seat, please feel free to turn them on, and if you need to make a call, by all means please do. Now, for those of you leaving us here in Sydney this afternoon, luggage available from carousel number 2, and you'll find those located, the carousels that is, on the ground floor. Qantas operates out of 3 terminals in Sydney. If you have an onward domestic flight this evening with a flight number that is above 1600, you need to change terminals. Your aircraft departs from Terminal 2. If you have onward domestic destinations with flight numbers between 400 and 1600, there is no need to change thanks. Please check monitors throughout the arrivals concourse for information regarding your next departure. And lastly, anyone transferring to a international service, we have a transfer lounge. It is located opposite gate 1, and from there they'll take you across to the international terminal by bus. And as always, if you need directions or you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Qantas ground staff, and they'll be more than happy to help you. As I said, just remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we have arrived well at the terminal, and only when the captain has turned the seatbelt sign off are you then free to leave your seat and disembark through the forward and left-hand side door. Please remember to check your seat and seat pocket for any personal items. Pretty bumpy coming into Sydney just before, so just take care when opening the overhead lockers, because I'm pretty sure the luggage may have moved during the flight. On behalf of all of us at Qantas, it's been a pleasure having you on board. We hope you enjoyed the flight with us, and we look forward to seeing you again when next you do choose to travel. Thanks very much and good afternoon.
God, there's another Singapore Airlines.